Welcome to JH. I recently tried OptiVive bursting beads, and the first thing I noticed was how surprisingly fun they are, because apparently, we've reached the point where our nutrients need to double as entertainment. These little beads pop easily in your mouth with a burst of fruity flavor that actually tastes clean and natural, rather than like a failed chemistry experiment. They're incredibly convenient for people on the go, making the act of getting your daily nutrients feel like a treat instead of a soul-crushing chore. After using them consistently, I actually felt a bit more energized and balanced throughout the day, which is a nice change from my usual mid-afternoon slump into existential dread. They fit seamlessly into my routine, mostly because I don't have to hunt for a glass of water to wash them down like a common Victorian patient. What really stands out about OptiVive is how they've managed to marry taste and function so well. They make wellness simple by delivering what you need in a way that's satisfying, minus the joyless experience of swallowing giant horse pills or mixing clumpy powders that never quite dissolve. Overall, these feel like a high-quality, convenient option for anyone looking for daily health support without the drama. They've definitely earned a permanent spot in my routine because they make staying consistent with supplements easy, tasty, and effective. It turns out that when your vitamins don't taste like flavored cardboard, you actually remember to take them. Who would have thought? If you're looking for a way to stay healthy without the usual supplement struggle, these beads are a solid win.